So for each client, we meet with them before we engage, and we find out what are your goals, what are your pain points, and how can we customize our scope of work to fit each client's needs. So not every client is the same. So we want to really customize what we're doing for them so they find value in that. And then we also have these team workshops that we hold where we have our senior manager leads the call with our controller and assistant controller that works on each client account. And they look for efficiency improvements, tech automation, and they really look at that scope of work to see, are we continuing to meet the client's needs, and are we continuing to grow with them to meet their goals as they change? We also request a lot of client feedback. So we'll meet with the client and we'll just ask them, how are we doing? What's working well? What's not working well? And what can we improve upon? And so we take that back and we just look at our processes and how can we create a better client experience for them going forward. I think an important piece we have is each client has a manager, and that manager is constantly in the background. So they're reviewing emails back and forth between the client. They're looking at the team to make sure we're meeting client goals and deadlines. And that manager will jump in and call the team together and the client if any issues are noted. So they're really there to kind of ensure a smooth process with the client.